In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to move your Sonic from your exchange to your Ledger Cold wallet and then back to the exchange. Here's what the steps look like. We're going to skip the buying selling part since I'm assuming you already know how that works. But if you don't, no worries, you can check out the buy and sell video at any time. The main focus here are the transfers. In this example, I'll be using a Ledger Nano S Plus, but the steps are pretty much the same for the Nano S, Nano X, and other Ledger Cold wallets. I'll be using Kraken as the exchange since it's one of the most popular centralized exchanges in North America. Now that said, the exchange you use doesn't really matter. The process is basically the same for all of them. What does matter is making sure that you have the correct wallet address and correct network, because sending crypto to the wrong address could mean losing it forever. So the example we have here is the Radium token that's running on the Solana network in Kraken. And we want to transfer it to the Ledger Live, so we have to ensure that we're using the same network. There are 3 security requirements that you must follow before doing the transfers. Number 1, make sure your operating system is up to date. And if you can't update it because your hardware is too old, maybe it's time to upgrade the hardware. Number 2, update all software. In this case, specifically, we're going to be using Chrome to connect to the exchange, the Ledger Live software to connect to your ledger. And if you have an antivirus, make sure your virus definitions are up to date. And last but not least, ensure that your Ledger firmware is also running at the latest version. Okay, let's start. So on the left side, I have Kraken open inside of Chrome. On the right side, I have the Ledger Live software. So we want to transfer Sonic. I'm going to click on withdraw Sonic. Sonic with the S symbol. Now it's asking me for the withdrawal address. And as you can see, it's running on its own network. So on the Ledger Live, we have to install the Sonic app. And it is there. And it looks like Ledger Live supports it. Okay, so it's installed. Now I'm going to add the account to get the wallet address. So it's asking me on the Ledger device to open the app. I'm going to open it. Click add account. Done. And now we can click receive. Issues related. Okay, so it's saying please only send S or ERC20 tokens to Sonic. We're going to be sending S symbol. Okay, and it's looks like it's the same address as Ethereum. I'm going to copy it, paste it in the withdrawal address on the exchange side, and call it Ledger dash Sonic. And it's running on Sonic network. Add withdrawal. Now it's going to ask me to confirm it by email. Click continue. It says pending email confirmation. So I'm going to go here. And then on my emails, click on confirm address. Okay, the withdrawal address was approved. So if we go back, we can send the full amount. I'm going to click on the purple number. Click review. Validate everything. So it's Sonic, the amount, the fee. The fee makes sense. Network is Sonic, withdraw. Okay, this is good. So confirm. And I'm gonna just close the right screen in Ledger by confirming the address. Okay, and as you can see, the Sonic coins did arrive. Now it's time to send them back to the exchange. So I'm going to click on Sonic, click send. Here it's giving me a warning. That's good. So the recipient address is what we need. So I'm going to click deposit on Kraken. Look for Sonic. Sonic with the S symbol, not the other one. Copy the address. Paste it here. Continue. I'm gonna select send max. And I just want you to notice something. The minimum deposit is 5 Sonic, and we're depositing more than 5, so it works out. And the network fee is going to be taken out of Sonic. So hopefully this works out. If not, I might have to adjust the numbers a bit, but we'll see anyway. So I'm going to click continue. Continue again. Now I have to approve the transaction on the Ledger device. So from the amount to the 2 looks good. The fees, and then sign transaction. I'm going to close this screen. Click done on Kraken and then go to the activity tab. Okay. So it looks like the transaction is here. It's showing already. That was pretty fast actually. Okay. So, I mean, it's pending, but it's a good sign because the transaction does show and the transfer was successful. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them.